Hello everyone, this will be a quick video about getting the pool started. Every once in a while I run into this problem, so take a look. I'm Bruce with Home Maintenance Solution and Ask Handyman Bruce. Stay tuned. So sometimes when I start my pump up, first thing in the spring, it does this, watch. Just sits there and hums. If you guys have had this problem, let me show you what I usually do just to kind of get the rust or corrosion out of there. First thing I'm going to do is take the back cap off. I'm going to need two hands to do this. Hang on. Okay, I broke it loose. Sprayed it with a little PB blaster. So we get this thing off first. Again, I'm going to need two hands here. I'll take it off. I'll show you what's up. Okay, just kind of tapping this. It comes off like that. Got two short screws. I'll use my opportunity to spray that a little bit with some PB and those threads too. But anyway, the point is that once you get to here, you can see the shaft on the back of there. It's got a bunch of junk around it. Actually, that's just grease, which is good. So you got a little grease around there. That's good. So there's probably not any corrosion or anything right in there, but apparently the shaft gets corroded back in there. You can't see it here, but I've had this happen before. This motor's about 3 or 4 years old, and I'm guessing that contributes to part of the problem, the age of it. One time I used to wrap this up with plastic in the wintertime, so it like is totally sealed. But what I ended up finding there is that makes it worse because it can't breathe very well. So I usually leave it open like this, but for whatever reason, sometimes it gets corroded. So let me show you what I do. So I'm gonna pop off the capacitor here real quick just to get a little more access to the back of that shaft there. And then we'll get some pliers on it and just break it loose and it should spin up. And you might say, well, that means you got a pretty bad motor. It's probably not gonna last for you, but honestly, I've had this problem before and it never gives me any trouble all year. So I think it just needs to get freed up and get moving. So let me get this out of the way and I'll show you what's next. All right, I got the capacitor hanging there, so now I can get my channel locks right on the end of that shaft back there. Get it in focus. So I'm just gonna, I need two hands to do this. Give you a kind of a zoomed out look here. So I'm gonna take that and just kind of wiggle the shaft a little bit until it starts to move and gets free. Then should be able to turn it on. Okay, I've got it all freed up. Let's kick it on. There it goes. And now it's spinning. And once it, like I said, once it gets going, it usually doesn't have a problem. So if this is helpful to you, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll have other helpful tips. All right, take care.